Hey there, AWESMR Pop. Chase just finished school and is very hungry. Can we get a yummy snack, please?
Hi there, Chase. Sure, what do you feel like having?
Chase wanna get cookies.
Alright, but you have to promise me you'll have a healthy snack after the cookies. Deal?
Okay, that sounds fair. Let's go, let's go.
Okay, let's get Chase safely secured into his car seat. Off to the bakery we go. Awesome! We made it to the bakery. Let's watch them prepare our cookies. Alright, let's roll out our white cookie dough. The first cookie cutter we're going to use is this gingerbread man. Here's a closer look. Now let's roll out some more dough. The second cutter we're going to use is this star. Here's a closer look at our star cookie dough. Let's roll out one more. We'll make a regular round cookie. Nice! Now let's put our cookies on the tray. Here's our cookie tray. Let's put our cookie doughs on the matching molds. Fix this. There we go. Looks pretty good so far. Let's put our cookie dough into our oven so we can make freshly baked cookies. Here we go. Nice! Our cookies are ready. Whoa! Check it out. These cookies smell really good. Let's go cool these for a bit. Alright, now we can take a closer look at each cookie. Here's our gingerbread man cookie. Here's our star-shaped cookie. And here's our round cookie. All the cookies look great. Now let's clear this tray. Alright, Chase. We've got your freshly baked cookies. The first cookie is a regular round cookie. Enjoy! Next up, we have this star-shaped cookie. And last but not least, have this gingerbread man-shaped cookie.
Yum! Thank you so much. That was delicious. Okay, a deal's a deal. So Chase will have a healthy snack now.
Glad you remembered our deal, Chase. Off to the farmer's market we go to get some healthy ingredients for your snack. Awesome! We made it to the farmer's market. I'm going to buy a huge variety so we can make some delicious smoothies for him. Let me grab a basket and start picking some fruits and veggies out. Here's our basket. Wow! These fruits and veggies look really good today. Farmer's markets are the best. Let's get a red strawberry. We'll add an orange carrot. Here's a yellow lemon. Let's also get a green cucumber. We'll get some purple grapes. This red apple looks good. Let's grab an orange too. We definitely need a yellow banana. Let's also try this green apple. This purple plum looks juicy. Ooh, these red raspberries look good. Let's grab another orange carrot. We'll also get a yellow pineapple. This green lime looks nice. And last but not least, we'll get some more purple grapes. Awesome! This is a huge variety we have. Let's head to the toy cash register to purchase these. Hello, AWESMR Pop. That's a beautiful basket of fruits and veggies. Let me help you check out. Let's start with the grapes. Oh, wow. You have quite a lot, so let me speed things up here. Okay, so your total is $8. Thanks, here's $10. Alright, 10 minus 8 is 2, so I'll give you $2 in change. One and two. That looks good. Thanks, and come again. Nice. Let me load up my basket and head home. Awesome! Now let's prep our fruits and veggies by cutting them. Let's start by slicing this red apple. These apples will make our smoothies nice and sweet. Now let's slice this carrot. We need to add a veggie into the smoothie, and apples go really well with carrots. Incredible combo! Alright, let's slice this green cucumber. This will add a crisp, refreshing taste to our smoothie. Alright, now let's slice this yellow lemon. Making just a lemon smoothie will be pretty sour, so let's add something sweet. Let's slice this yellow pineapple. Ooh, a lemon mixed with pineapple? That's going to be really good. Let's add one more fruit into the smoothie. Let's slice this orange. Lemon, pineapple, and orange. That sounds like a tasty smoothie. Now let's slice this red strawberry. I'm chopping up a bunch of different fruits and veggies, but we'll go with the best 3 to make an awesome smoothie. Now let's slice this banana. Just like apples and carrots, strawberries and bananas are an amazing duo. Last but not least, let's chop up these red raspberries. We'll give this strawberry banana smoothie a nice tart flavor. Alright, it's time to blend our fruits and veggies. Let's start by making the smoothie with carrots, apples, and cucumbers. I think that's the best combination. Give it a quick blend. Nice! Our carrot apple cucumber smoothie is ready. Let's pour this into a cup. Woohoo! Our delicious smoothie is complete. Let's go feed Chase. Alright, Chase. Here's one delicious fruit and veggie smoothie. Enjoy!
Wow! Chase didn't know healthy snacks can be so yummy. Chase want more healthy snacks next time.
Glad to hear, Chase. Do you want any more smoothies right now?
No, Chase way too full now. Thank you though. We can save those other fruits and veggies for later.
No problem. And we hope you had fun, AWESMR fans. See you all next time. Bye! AWESMR Pop fans! Thank you so much for watching. We can't do this without you. If you're new to the channel and became a fan, click that subscribe button for more awesome stuff. And if you want to be the first person to watch our next video, hit that notification bell to have a chance. See ya!